Okay, I have this bag. It's a lunch box cooler bag, or actually to keep food warm. And as you see, the zipper puller is broken, right? I can still use it. But it is a bit uncomfortable, and you have to grab just with your fingernails. So I have these zipper pullers. These are used for a jacket, for clothes. I use them also for my Victorinox Swiss Army knives now. Very simple plastic zipper puller with a bit of thin string here, strong enough to pull it. I don't have many left. I might. You can also use a bit of paracord to make a loop, tie it into a knot, and there you have the extra. This is more simple. This is easier, and most important, it's easier to pull it through the hole of this zipper here, which is a bit narrow, as you see. So I could remove this part or keep it. I'm not sure if I should remove it. Maybe I really remove it. Maybe I keep it. I could leave it as it is, so it's easier to apply it. I can put first put the zipper. I will show you two methods. First, you can use the existing zipper puller as a holder for the string. So let's see now here. And then goes like that. This works fine. But if you want it a little bit better, a little bit more clean, and especially if this key is broken completely, if the key is not there anymore, you cannot do it like this. You have to put it through the main key there. So I will show you now also the other way. Also, it's super easy to remove it. And first, I could remove this, but I could also leave it as it is, so it's easier. And really just push the string through the key. You have to do it something like this. You push the key through the string. So now I can pull the zipper, open it and close it all the way. I think it's very convenient. And most important, if you want to get rid of this key, you can use any set of cutting pliers and remove it. I will show you this too. I think I will not break this, because to break this you would need two pairs of pliers to break that middle part there, and you might not have this, so what's the point of showing something that is overcomplicated? I don't want to make it too complicated. This can be floating around like this, or you could actually put it through the middle here. So let's try like that. Let's try that way. Maybe this is a real simple way to do this. without too much trouble. So I put it through the middle here, and then through the actual key. And now that it's all tied together, I can do it like this, something like that. So it holds the key. It holds the key in place. But it's a bit sharp here, so I don't know. Let me try to break it. Okay, I'll try to use a pocket knife for this. Not sure if this is going to work. Okay, I remove the key. Let's see. All I'm trying to do here is break this to remove this broken key, so by putting a bit of tension on it. I might make it worse actually, so I'm not sure about that. Okay, I opened it. Okay, this is one way, I guess. Ideally, you would want to cut the ring here so you don't damage the key there, but this also works. So I'm gonna put it back now, force it back. It's closed now. Okay. And now I can put the zipper puller as usual through the hole here. And now it's without the broken piece dangling around. And if for some reason this piece gets higher, lifted, you can always push it back there. So it's working. Perfect. The zipper puller now saved this bug. I can continue to use the bug. Some parts here they need to be arranged, but you can put a lunchbox here and close it. Thanks for watching. Okay. It's pretty easy.